Good morning, students. Now we are going to discuss the topic as escape velocity of an object. We know in the case of an object, in order to escape from the surface of the earth, there should be some minimum velocity is required. The minimum velocity of an object to escape from the surface of the earth is known as escape velocity of an object. So we can say that the minimum velocity required to project an object vertically upward so that it never comes back to the surface of the earth. The corresponding velocity of the object is known as escape velocity of the object. So here we are going to find the expression for the escape velocity of the object. Then after we are going to find what is the value of this escape velocity of the object. So here let us see that so here we are going to consider the case of an earth. Like R is considered as the radius of this earth. Initially we are considering a situation in which an object is placed at a distance r away from the center of this earth. An object which is having mass m, and like capital M is considered as a mass of this earth, we can say. So capital M is considered as a mass of the earth, and the small m is considered as a mass of this object, which is at a distance r away from the center of the earth. We know in this case there is a force is existing between this object and the earth. So the value of that force is given as F is equal to, so G into capital M divided by R is the distance, so we can take it as R square. So this is the force existing between these two objects, that means small object and earth, we can say. And this direction of the force is acting towards the center of this earth. It is acting vertically downward direction. So that value of the force is given as F is equal to Gmm divided by R square. Now we are considering a situation which let this object is displaced through a small displacement dr. Let this object is displaced through a small displacement. It is reaching at this point. The corresponding displacement is taken as dr. So in order to displace this object from this point another, there should be work is done, and the corresponding work done we can calculate as a dw. So dw is equal to, we can say that F dot dr. In this case you can see that the force and the displacement are in the opposite direction. Force is acting towards the surface of the earth only, and displacement is in the opposite direction. So we can write this work done as F dr cos 180. That means work done is expressed as, you can see that F dr cos 180 is considered as a minus 1, that means a minus of F dr we can mention. So we can substitute the value of a force. So dw is equal to minus of Gmm divided by R square into dr. So this is the work done to displace this object from this point P to Q, we can mention. To displace this object from this point P to Q. So that work done, corresponding work done is minus of Gmm divided by R square into dr. Now we are considering a situation which let this object is escaping from the surface of the earth. It is going to infinity. So we have to say that this object is moving from this surface of the earth to infinity. It is escaping from the surface of the earth. Let V is considered as the escape velocity of this object. So in this case we have to calculate what is the total work done. So the total work done is we can say that the total work done to escaping from the surface of the earth to infinity. So we can say that the total work done as integral of dw as, so integral of which is ranging from, so R is considered as the radius of this earth. So it is moving from surface of the earth to infinity only. So it is traveling from R to infinity minus of Gmm divided by R square into dr. So we can integrate this, we will get the value of total work done, we can say that. So the corresponding total work done is, so integral of dw is w, which is integrating this. So some of the terms are constant, so minus of Gmm we can take outside. So which is ranging from R to infinity, and you can see that 1 by R square into dr. So you can do this process of integration. So we will get the value of work done. Therefore, the work done is, so you can see that minus of GMM, the interval of, this we can modify it as R to infinity, R raised to minus 2 dr. We know this is in the form of x raised to n dx. So x raised to n dx is x raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So our equation becomes work done is minus of GMM into, you can observe that this is becomes R raised to minus 1 divided by minus 1 is, which is ranging from R to infinity. Now we can take this minus sign outside, so our work done is considered as G capital M small r into 1 by R, which is ranging from R to infinity. Now what we are going to do is we can substitute this upper limit and lower limit. Therefore the work done, you can observe that corresponding work done is so when we are substituting this, you can see that, so G capital M into, I am substituting this upper limit 1 by infinity minus 1 by R. So 1 by infinity we know this becomes a 0 only. So our equation work done, so this work done is the corresponding potential energy only. So this work done is stored as potential energy. So we are getting the equation as U is equal to minus of G capital M divided by R is now. So this is the way we can calculate the work done as in terms of potential energy. So potential energy is considered as a minus of GMM divided by R. So we have seen that this object is escaping from the surface of the earth. This object is escaping from the surface of the earth. The corresponding velocity, escape velocity as a v. Therefore, the kinetic energy acquired by this object, kinetic energy is considered as a half mv square. We can write. The kinetic energy acquired by this object is a half mv square. So, potential energy is minus of GMM divided by R, and kinetic energy is considered as a half mv square. If this object will escape from the surface of the earth, we can say that the kinetic energy of this object is equal to the magnitude of this potential energy. So we can write this equation as, if the object is escape from the surface of the earth, the object will escape from the surface of the earth, the kinetic energy acquired by the object is equal to the magnitude of the potential energy. So we can write this equation as half mv square. V square is equal to GMM divided by R. That means magnitude of potential energy we are considering. So some of the times you can eliminate from both the sides, and our equation becomes, you can see that V square is equal to, you can see that 2GM divided by R. So this is the way we are getting V square is equal to 2GM by R. Now I will write this. So we are getting the equation as a V square is equal to 2GM divided by R. So from this equation we can find the value of escape velocity, that is under root of 2GM divided by R. So this is the way we can find the equation for escape velocity, that is V. So V is equal to under root of 2GM divided by R. So we can modify this equation. We know the value for acceleration due to gravity G. So G is equal to what is that? GM divided by R square. So on the basis of this equation we can replace this. We can modify this equation. So we can write this equation as G R square is equal to GM. So if we are substituting this value here, our equation becomes escape velocity is under root of 2G R square divided by R is. We can eliminate this R. So we are getting the value as escape velocity is under root of 2GR. So this is the expression for escape velocity of an object in order to escape from the surface of the earth. So if you are substituting these values, so we are getting this value as a V is equal to under root of, we can see that 2 into 9.8 into radius of the earth is 6.4 into 10 raised to 6 meter. So if you are doing this calculation, you will get this value as, it is 11.2 kilometer per second. So we are getting the value of escape velocity as 11.2 kilometer per second. That means if an object is acquiring this much of speed, 11.2 kilometer per second, so it can escape from the surface of the earth. So this is the expression as well as the value for the escape velocity of an object. Thank you.